Okay, y'all fanatics, look, you're back again with BYD, and I did a video, I think about a week ago, and there should be a picture right there. All right, that video got a lot of views and a lot of responses. I want to continue on that video, and basically what I'm going to show you is a program to make sure that you have a perfect weed-free lawn throughout the entire seasons. Stay tuned. You're watching Bermuda Grad Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time. Okay, yard fanatics, sometimes people want to know, how do they keep those weeds out of their lawn all season long, all right? Now, listen, this is not a program that I implemented. The program's been in the store forever. People just, they don't follow it. And this is like an easy, low-cost plan that anybody, especially you, the homeowner, can do this without spending a lot of money, all right? And you saw my thumbnail and I was talking about it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this right here. All right, now, I actually showed you how to spray your yard. I showed you how to spot treat. I got some of my older customers saying that BYD, I don't really want to use a sprayer. Show me what they got in the store that I can go in and buy without having to spend excess amounts of money. All right, so let me show you how this system works. Guys, listen, this is easy peasy. I promise you, anybody can do this, guys. Now, you saw I did a video for that, and there should be a link somewhere up top that you can click on after you watch this video. Come back and click on it, and it basically shows you what that is. And you get a weed stop for lawns, you get an insecticide, you get a weed feed, and you actually get a lawn fertilizer. All that about $35, all right? Here's the catch, guys. Now, when I excuse me, when I did that video, I basically showed you how to spray your entire yard with that right there. All right, we came back and we spot treated for weeds with this right here. And you can use any herbicide that you want. I used the image because I was actually trying to kill some annual bluegrass. You can see it on there. This is the red label. Guys, I seen this in the store and I think it's up to 8,000 now. I think it kills up to 8,000. Excuse me. It treats up to 8,000 square feet instead of 6. So you got a little bit more, 2,000 square feet. But guys, basically what I want to show you is this product right here. What is this? This is the Weed Stop for Lawn Crabgrass Killer Plus. Kills over 400 weeds. Visible results in 5 hours. And it kills to the root. This replaces all of this. Now, it will not have a dye in it. Okay, but it replaces all of this. Here's the catch. That cost $15. That was 20 bucks. That was $20. So what we got? 20, 40, yeah, $55 into this. You could buy this, and I buy mine. I actually go to Walmart first, guys. $6.94, so $7. It was cheaper at Walmart than any other store. I went to Home Depot today, and I think I saw it for $10 or $11. They have this one at Walmart for less than $7. And guys, basically all you do, spray your yard. You're gonna kill off the weeds. All right. Then we went and we're gonna come back and spot treat. You can use this all season long. So this is how the system works. This is the system BYD has for you. Once a week, you take 10 minutes of your time and you go through your yard and you look for weeds. Only 10 minutes, guys. 15 minutes tops. Spray them. You'll start seeing visible results in 5 hours. And as a matter of fact, let me show you what's on the back, because I get a lot of people asking me this question. Okay, guys, once you spray it, it basically shows you how it looks. That's before you spray it. 5 hours after you spray it. 24 hours. 96 hours. What's that, like 4 days later? So you're going to see a yellowing of the weed that you're trying to treat. Now, bear in mind, this does not kill mature crabgrass. Only kills baby crabgrass. This does not kill Dallas grass. This does not kill annual bluegrass. You gotta know your weeds, guys, but it does kill over 450 listed weeds. Excuse me, 470 weeds listed. Now, how do you find those weeds? They have a book back here. In the back of it, you just open it up. And let's go to the weed page. Give me a second. And these are all the weeds, guys. Like I said, identify the weed in your lawn, see if it's on here, and you can treat them. More than likely, it's probably on there, but those heavy hitters, you may have a problem. It kills dandelion also. All right, guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to use this, all right? But let's look at something else on the back real quick, so we can go ahead and get this out of the way. What temperatures can you apply this in? For best results, apply between 45 and 90 degrees. Above 45, the better the weed will be able to absorb the product. Lawn damage could happen above 90. Guys, pay attention to this. It treats bluegrass, fescue, zoysia, Bermuda, perennial ryegrass. Now you see those stars beside that. Okay, I want to show you this real quick before we get into it. Those stars actually mean something. All right, here we go. Do not apply to zoysia grass just emerging from dormancy, as it may result in lawn damage. All right, the 3-star, which is beside the Bermuda. Application to Bermuda grass may cause temporary yellowing or discoloration, but full recovery can be expected. Do not apply to Bermuda grass when daytime temperatures exceed 90 degrees. Now, guys, you know my recommendation. Don't apply to Bermuda grass when daytime temperatures exceed 85 degrees. Like I said, I'm in the dirty. I'm in Atlanta. It gets extremely hot down here. My lawn is sitting on Georgia clay, so to bake up the heat is a whole lot hotter than grasses that are real, soil types that are real porous, and it can handle the heat. The heat bounces off the ground here, so my suggestion, 85 and less, all right? Guys, what I want to do is show you how to do the 10-minute program. So let me go ahead and show you this. Let's just say you just got off work, you get out the car, put your lawn care shoes on, your glasses, your gloves, and you apply this product. I'm going to show you how to open it up, put it in there, and take it to the yard. So let's do Okay, yard fanatics. First thing we got to do is when you get it, you're going to see this right here, all right? Read the directions on the top, and it tells you exactly what to do, and basically says remove the label, open flip cap, extend sprayer hose completely, finally insert block hose tip. Talking about that right there. All right, so let's take that braided wire off there. That's that wire that be on your bread when you buy it. All right, and I got my knife, guys, because I'm just basically trying to keep me from touching as much as this as possible, because it's still a herbicide. It's still chemical, guys. Still dangerous. You don't want to breathe it in. All right, so it says basically just remove that this label. I hope my hand ain't in the way. Don't cut yourself, BYD. Don't cut yourself. And, you know, anytime you're doing stuff like this, never goes the way you're playing it. All right, so I took that top off. It basically comes off like that. You saw it pop off. All right, the hose that they're talking about extending is in here. So you just pull it. So I'm pulling that hose out. You pull it until you feel it stop. Don't yank it, because once you break that, in the game. You take this tip right here, and you basically take it, push it down in that hole. You heard it snap, and that's it. Now, one of the things with the trigger, I don't know if you can see it, but it has an X right there, and you see it spray right there. So that's fine spray. It sprays out a little finer. If you turn it to the other side, it had one that missed out a whole lot more. All right, so we're gonna take this over to an area that has some fescue, and we're gonna spray for weeds over there. All right, so let's go area in my neighborhood. Like I said, I maintain it. You know, it's not the best, but nobody wants to cut it but BYD. And this is also why I did that video on how to use a weeding feed for beginners. It's a video link up top. Click on that if you want to watch that video later on. All right. So look, guys, I'm gonna point, and you can see there are all kinds of weeds in here. BYD, what's the name of them? I don't know all the name of these weeds. I mean, it's just so many of them. But sometimes, like I said, 470 weeds. These are basic weeds. I guarantee you that stuff is gonna work. But bear in mind, like I said, we treated that whole lawn. I'm using it for an example. Then we went and spot treated with the pump sprayer that I had. But this is for the people who don't want to spend that type of money, and all you got to do is spend $7 and pretty much get the same results. Now, the professional version, you're going to kill the weeds off a little faster, but once you start treating your yard for weeds and you keep it on a regular basis, this is how you get the perfect lawn. And guys, this is the stuff. And basically, before you use it, shake that baby up, man. Shake it up. All right. Now, it may be a little harder for me to do it. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and pump it so we can get something coming out. All right, you see it coming out? Now that's that fine mist right there. You can get closer, and you're gonna have to get closer with that. But if you want to stand up and walk it, put it on the other one. Can you see that? And you see how it sprays out a little further. So I got it shook up. Guys, you don't have to pump this. You literally just walk and skeet. You know, skeet, 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 skeet. You just walk and skeet. Look. And like I said, this is a 10-minute thing. You don't have to spend all day out here. Just spray the weeds as you see them. And you can check back in 3 or 4 days and see if they start to disappear. So I'm just gonna kind of time lapse myself and let you see me.
You should listen to this beat through my headphones.
So you basically see how you use this. And like I said, when you put it on mist, you have to get closer to the lawn because you want to cover a broad area. All right, and like I said, make sure that you have on some gloves. Don't come out here with your regular hands and touch this stuff because like I said, it's still a herbicide, it's still poison. So when I got it on mist, you see how close I am? You have to get closer, and you could cover a bunch of weeds when you put it on mist. And that's good for like broadleaf weeds or a whole patch of weeds that's together like those right there. Now when you start seeing the smaller weeds, you could twist it back to the string per se, and it still sprays out, but you have a more targeted area. And you can stand up, because when you get old, man, that ain't, I'm like, all right, bending over ain't fun. Huh? I'm here to tell you, but you see how I'm doing it? So like right there at the gate, I'm walking down the gate, and right there between the gate, you see patches of weed. You know, even on the other side, I can skeet through the gate and get those weeds over there on that side. All right. So yard fanatics, like I said, it's not that hard taking care of your Bermuda lawn or any lawn, period. Big Yard Dog has just showed you how to get a perfect lawn in 10 minutes. You don't have to do this every day, but you can take 10 minutes of your time, spray your lawn. If you have an extremely big yard, 10 minutes every other day, just treat those weeds. And as you start to see them die off, along with a good fertilization program and a good mowing practice, I suggest that you mulch if you don't have a lot of weeds. If you got a few weeds, it's not going to hurt at all. So guys, just remember one thing. You are tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.